Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm about to pull the festiva into the garage, but I figured I'd just get like a test of how loud the car is while you're in here on the video. Then when I have the muffler on, we'll see how loud it is then. So here you go. Up, up, up. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. It didn't. Cool. Alright, so what I've done to this muffler already is I've already welded this random flange that I had from the exhaust that I bought. I welded this onto the muffler already, and it just sort of slid right in the sleeve, and then I just welded it there. Looks poopy, but it's fine. Oh, gross. And I've already made a corresponding flange because I'm not going to go buy one of these because that'd be like $10. Probably cost like $10 to make it, but it's honestly easier for me to make it than to try and figure out where to go buy one. But I didn't video this. Next time I make a flange, which I will soon, I know I'm going to have to make some more flanges in the future. I'll do a little video on how I did it. But this just goes right on there. Shit. You know, you see what I was saying. It goes right there. It looks good. We're gonna get it on the car right there. Alright, so I had to make my own exhaust hanger. I just found these two metal bars and I just welded them together. It's strong enough. Then I just got the exhaust hangers about the right length apart. I had them the original exhaust hanger thing, but it's all bent out of shape. So I just sort of used that as a rough template. Then because when I test fitted it, this straight across design is better for how my exhaust is going to be run. I'm just going to use these as just extra hangers somewhere, but I'm going to get this put on my pipe now. Alright, so what I got done yet, I got this support right here for the stock one welded onto the exhaust in about the right spot. Fit good. Then I couldn't find any other stock hangers along this length. So the next hanger was the one that's sitting up right here. It's the gas tank's right there. And then there's a hanger right here. So this one fits pretty good too. So then the next step, I'm gonna get the muffler hung up, then work out the area between the muffler, which is gonna be like right there, and then the end of the exhaust. So that's the difficult part, but hopefully it's quieter. Okie dokie. I'm voiceover in this because I had some music in the background and YouTube's gonna copyright me. But yeah, this is just my exhaust hanger. I welded one right there, and then I welded one right back here. And it seemed good enough. Seemed like a good way to do it. And then that's the flange, and I'm gonna run the pipe across down here. So it should probably work out good. Well, it did, but we'll get there when we get there. Alrighty, so what I ended up doing here is that I cut maybe about 8 inches or so off the exhaust back there where the flange is, and I cut it at an angle so the flange just matched up with the flange I already had welded on the exhaust. I don't remember. I couldn't tell you guys what I'm saying, but I had Christmas music on. I'm not gonna get copyrighted. I don't want to deal with it. So deal with my dryer noise in the background. Basically, I could reach all the bolts there, so I figured it was a good enough spot to put it. And then that's my exhaust hangers down there. They're all hooked up, and the exhaust tucks up pretty good up under the car. It's a little lower than my previous one, but it's pretty fine. I couldn't tell you what I'm rambling about, honestly. Oh no, I needed to tack that flange. Well, I needed to finish welding it because I only tacked it on there. And then I think that's about it. I couldn't. What the hell am I going on about? No, I'm crawling around. I'm talking about how I put more work into this muffler system than I did this one, because I had to make a bunch of crappy welds and a bunch of bends. It was a lot harder to do that other one. Man, I wish I was my dryer. I probably said it looked good. Alrighty, that's the finished product. We gotta find some bolts, bolt to that, and we'll see how it sounds. I'm probably gonna go ahead and try and mount up this BP throttle body probably about right there, so I can have a dump, so I can make it stupid loud if I want to. But we'll see if the exhaust works out first. Alright, exhaust is all bolted up. Let's see how it sounds. No, we'll go drive it. That's a good idea. Got the thing behind it. Something's a little loose because I'm getting a lot of noise out the front, but we can just tighten that up. Oh, wow. It's so much quieter. I got a little leak right there, just because it's not tight enough yet, but holy crap. Wow, it's quieter. Yeah. It's a loud car still, but I mean, the exhaust note isn't loud. Definitely does not sound as mean, but we're gonna fix that here in a minute. But other than just tightening up that front flange, I think that'll about do it for this one. Alright, got an exhaust.